Hello and welcome to the section 2 of the course, Wireshark installation and interfaces. Now in this section we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about that how you can install various operating systems inside your system, and then I will show you the installation procedure of Wireshark. Set up virtual machine. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about the virtual machine that we are going to use, and then how we can download and install it inside our main operating system that I'm going to show you inside this video. So now what you can do here, to download a virtual machine, you can open your browser and let me show you that how you can download it. So guys, I'm here at the browser of my main operating system, and I've opened the google.com. So let's download a virtual machine, and using that virtual machine we can install and run various operating systems inside our main operating system. So that's why we need a virtual machine. Then later we will set up Windows and Linux machine. So what you can do here on Google, you can type download vmware workstation and hit enter. So you can download VMware Workstation or you can download the virtual machine. It depends on you, but I personally use VMware Workstation, so I'm going to use VMware. So here it is, the official website vmware.com. So you can click here and you can open it. So this is VMware 15 Workstation Pro version. This is the latest one, right? So VMware Workstation Pro is the industry standard for running multiple operating systems on a single Linux or Windows PC. So I'm using Windows 10 machine, so I can use VMware Workstation 15 Pro. Workstation 15 Pro improves on the leading desktop with an updated DPI user interfaces. Alright, so it has a user interface. Now this is for Windows, this is for Linux. So I'm using Windows 10 machine, so I can download this version of VMware Workstation, and if you are using Linux, then you can download this one. So let me show you the Windows one, as I'm using Windows 10 machine. So you can click here and download the exe file. So click here and here it is. So this is VMware version 512 MB file. You can click save file and you can download it inside your system. So click on save file, and here you can see that it is downloading inside my system. So it will take few minutes. So guys, I think the VMware Workstation has been downloaded inside my main operating system. So let me check where it is. So if I open my file system here, so you can see here that inside my D drive, the VMware Workstation 15 version is right here, right? So now I can install it inside the system. So to install it, you can double click here. Now it will start the installation inside my main operating system. Here it is. So here you can see that it has just started the installation procedure and is preparing here first of all, right? So the VMware Workstation version is 15 Pro, and there are two versions. One is trial, one is professional. So we are using the trial version. You can also purchase professional version if you want to work for commercial use. So here we are just practicing, so that's why we can try with the trial version of VMware Workstation. So here it is. This is the setup wizard of VMware Workstation. Click next, select accept the agreements, read it, then you can hit next. Click next again. If you don't want to be a part of their improvement programs, then you can untick both of them. Click next. If you want to create a shortcut on your desktop, then you can click next and click install. So basically we have followed the path here, and now you can see that, and now it is installing inside our main operating system. So now our work is done. Now you can just wait here for the complete installation. So guys, you can see here that the VMware Workstation installation is complete, and here are two options. One is you can click on finish, and second is you can click on license. So if you have the professional version, or if you have purchased the professional version of VMware Workstation, so you should have the license. So you can click on license, you can put the license key here. But if you have not purchased the VMware professional version, if you want to perform a trial version of VMware, so you can simply click on skip and click finish. and your trial version of VMware Workstation has been installed inside your main operating system. So that's how you can install a VMware Workstation. Now, how it looks like, how you can start it, let me show you. So in your Windows, you can click here and you can search here for VMware Workstation. So here you can see VMware Workstation is available here. You can click here and soon it will open up inside your system. So here you can see that this is VMware Workstation. Here you can see that my evolution period ends in 13 days. It means basically I have already used VMware Workstation for 17 days. But if you have basically installed it, a fresh version of VMware, so you will get the 30-day trial here. So this is the procedure to download and install virtual machine inside your system.